7 table.
Let us learn the 7 table. Ronnie started counting candies to distribute in his class for his birthday. One pack has 7 candies. One group of 7. 1 into 7 is equal to 7. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 2 packs have 7 plus 7 candies. 2 groups of 7. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 3 packs have 7 plus 7 plus 7 candies. 3 groups of 7. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. 4 packs have 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 candies. 4 groups of 7. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 5 packs have 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 candies. 5 groups of 7. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. 6 packs have 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 candies. 6 groups of 7. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. 7 into 6 is equal to 42. 7 packs have 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 candies. 7 groups of 7. 7 into 7 is equal to 49. 7 into 7 is equal to 49. 8 packs have 7 plus 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 7 candies. 8 groups of 7. 8 into 7 is equal to 56. 7 into 8 is equal to 56. 9 packs have 7 plus 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 7 candies. 9 groups of 7. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. 7 into 9 is equal to 63. 10 packs have 7 plus 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 7 candies. 10 groups of 7. 10 into 7 is equal to 70. 7 into 10 is equal to 70.
Let us recall. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. 7 into 6 is equal to 42. 7 into 7 is equal to 49. 7 into 8 is equal to 56. 7 into 9 is equal to 63. 7 into 10 is equal to 70.